Mom's in the kitchen today. She is making, what do you call them?
It is a detox brownie.
Okay. From the Ultimate Brownie Mix, Mommy is acting as Betty Crocker. Filling in for Betty Crocker today will be Mommy. We've already got the brownie mix. We've got 2 eggs. We've got vegetable oil. How much vegetable oil?
Half a cup.
Half a cup of vegetable oil.
And then we're going to do 2 tablespoonfuls of water.
And the oven is already preheating.
To 325.
325.
So we're just going to mix. You can pause it. We'll come back once it's
Okay.
mixed.
We've got the baking pan already pre-sprayed.
I do 4, but I'm trying it with a whisker. How do you call this? I don't even know.
A whisk.
A whisk.
I think that's it. Okay. We'll be whisking and we'll be back in a moment.
Yep.
Button. Okay.
Here's how the fudge or the brownie mix looks like. But we are going to make a detox brownie. It's time for a detox for us. So we're going to put our secret greens, which I'm not going to tell you yet. I'll put
Because it's super strong.
Yeah, I'll put just 1 scoop or half a scoop.
Yeah.
Because it's super strong. The taste is super strong. And we want Lucky to be able to eat it. So we're just going to use half of it, half a scoop. We use it for morning shake. We want to detox and cleanses us out. It has wheatgrass, barley grass, alfalfa. The 3 most important things in here are the spirulina, the chlorella, and the acai. Broccoli, spinach, beet, carrot, pineapple, and maca are also part of the ingredients. So this is our green detox that we put in our morning smoothie every day. Or you don't have to do it every day, maybe once a week if you want to detox once a week. So we want Lucky to have it too. That's why we only put half a scoop. And it's almost done and ready for scooping. Lucky, you okay? Okay. We can pause until I'm ready to scoop it out. This is how it looks like. It's Daddy's turn. We're just looks like regular brownie, but we had a magic detox. Okay, and we're pouring. Look at that.
It's so gooey it sticks to everything.
Yeah.
Oop. Flicked a little on the camera.
Follow the instructions for 20 brownies. Just have to flatten.
Oh, you want me to?
Yeah, spread it out evenly. Yeah, I want a nice coverage for the brownie. I usually use the smaller pan. But we'll see how this comes out. 40. We'll bake it for 43 to 45 minutes, it said. I'll do a 40 because I don't like the dry kind. So we'll do a 40 and see how it is. One corner. Yeah, looks good. Okay, this is it. That's Daddy helping me out. We're just waiting for the temperature to reach 325. I always do the lower oven because I'm short. There we go, 325. Pull this out. Okay. I need a pot holder. Look at that. There you go. Perfect. Let me put the timer on. Timer on. We'll do 40 minutes. Actually, yeah, we'll do 40 minutes because it says 43 to 45. Okay. And then we'll be right back.
This is a pretty.
Are you excited for your brownie? Okay, I'll be right back. 40 minutes for checking. Okay.
Just try.
Oh, nothing. Some parts still got it. Some parts don't. So what I'm going to do is to leave it cooking with the leftover heat that it has for 5 minutes. Okay?
You got one
Alexa,
color.
set my timer for 5 minutes.
Let me see. Let me make sure. Oh.
Okay, we got it out. We'll leave it for a few and then we'll come back. Okay, we're gonna try this time how our detox brownie came out. Okay, so we got 2 slices of brownies and here we are in the messy dining room. Are you ready to try them? Pause.
Okay, pause the game.
Pause the game. Daddy will try the detox brownie Mommy made.
You gonna try it, Lucky?
Try?
Oh, it's wrong. Wait, eat mine.
Yeah.
Good?
Look.
How does it taste like?
It tastes like brownie.
Okay, you're gonna go poo-poo in a minute.
Thanks, Mom. It's good. Good, Mom.
It's good?
Yeah, good recipe.
Okay. Yay! Thumbs up? Okay, so they're playing Mastermind game, the game I grew up playing. It was in the 1970s, 70s, baby.
Okay, Daddy.
And I love this game, and I'm so happy to share it with them. We bought that Mastermind game from a store the other day, and it's game night since it's long weekend. Bye!
So, 3 were correct.
I think even if you increase the greens, you won't taste it. Okay, not that much. Maybe a little bit. Maybe you can increase it from half a scoop to 1 scoop. Okay, for this big batch of brownie. It's a batch of 20s. But look, it's almost gone now. It's really good. You don't even taste it. On a smoothie, you may taste it a little bit. It may be strong if you do it just with water for your choosing. Detox. This is a good way to detox.
Hey, if this is detox, I'm in heaven.
Okay.
Okay.
Here's a detox brownie.
You okay?
I got the corner.
Okay, I'm coming.
It's good.
I'm coming.
You cannot taste the green powder in it.
Are
But
you still doing
expect to use the restroom twice when you have it, because when we do the shake or the smoothie in the morning, I use the restroom more often than usual.
it? I know your favorite color is black.
Try the recipe. Bye.
So I
Are you going to eat any more of this?